Deborah loves my eggs, so we're gonna do a quick man cooking show. That's right, I'm gonna show you how to make my eggs. Why do you like my eggs so much?
Well, because they remind me of restaurant eggs.
I'm like, it's just scrambled eggs. I mean, you know, it'd be cool if you kind of continue to watch me, but I'm just making scrambled eggs. But I think what she likes about it is they like perfectly yellow, right? They're perfect.
Yeah, they are. They are yellow.
They just like perfect color with scrambled eggs. So there's nothing here. This is gonna be a 5-egg scramble. Now I know some people add milk and all that stuff. Nah, I need the raw egg. Raw, babe, raw. I need raw eggs.
Oh my goodness.
So I'm also cooking biscuits, by the way. I gotta check them. Look at that.
I think they're about done.
A little bit more on that.
Oh.
So, there. Guess I'll put that in the sink. So, some people use butter. I think a lot of people use butter. I use oil because butter burns. And I think one of the key things with making good, when I say scrambled egg, not good tasty, even though they're gonna be tasty, I mean perfect, picture perfect scrambled egg. That's what we're going for, right, babes?
Yeah.
Picture perfect. So oil doesn't burn like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in there.
And then what do you have
the fire up in here? It's like 6, 7. You can look over there. That's where, you know, that angle. What is that? 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
So I kind of let it cook like an omelet. Check those biscuits. I kind of let it cook like an omelet, and you know, you see how it's kind of getting, you know, pancake-ish. And I just kind of push it along, push it aside, get those new eggs to flow up in there, and do some more cooking. It looks like it's going a little slow, so. And that's it. I don't really kind of do much. I actually trying to make a big pancake, big egg pancake.
Oh, it is like a big
because your eggs are like these little tiny.
No, but I know how.
You kind of got me.
Oh, sorry.
she's forgetting she's the cameraman.
No, because I put a lot of air in my eggs whenever I make them, and so sometimes they're big and fluffy, other times they're little. So, but whenever he showed me how to do his eggs, I was like, oh my gosh, those are just like Waffle House eggs.
That's fine. That's how I do it. Never.
And Waffle House eggs are my favorite eggs.
Waffle House eggs?
Because it's like this.
Is it?
Unless you want them to put, unless you want them to put cheese in them.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and take
yeah,
these
those are
biscuits out.
done.
I'm trying not to burn my eggs at the same time. Look at that. So anyway, I could mess up the eggs because I'm sitting here messing with biscuits. All right, one of the key things, did I say it already, is to have a good egg pot. And when I mean
yeah, you didn't say that.
Okay, when I mean an egg pot is something that don't stick. I know I put oil in there, but you want something that don't stick as it is, and then even add some oil. So this is the wherever. Let me look at the bottom. Wherever porcelain pot. So see, it's like that. Now that it's almost cooked, so I just turned the fire off. You know, because I don't want to burn it. See how it's got that nice bright yellow, no burn marks. You know, and I'm not really chopping it up because it still needs to cook on the bottom. Remember, I flipped it like a pancake. So we're having eggs and what are we having?
Eggs and biscuits.
Eggs and biscuits, like eggs and jelly
just simple.
biscuits. Now when it's there, then I salt. And some people salt when it's still in the liquid form. You could do that, and the pepper, you know, and that's it. There it is. Got that? And see, it's just perfect. It's just perfect. And that's it. I mean, that's the video. I'll give you another tip that I use with biscuits because I love my biscuits buttered.
Yeah.
I love some good buttered biscuits, and I love liquid butter. I like to butter them when they're hot. So I'm going to go ahead and take the time to do that. Split it open. Split these open. Ow. Woo! See, and that's because, you see, hot to the touch, and the butter's gonna melt really good. Woo! I think my eggs are burning. I forgot. The thing about these electric stoves, you turn them off.
They don't just turn off.
And that's why you gotta turn it off early. So as soon as I say it's almost done, I always turn my stuff off early because I'm using it's still hot, it's still cooking.
Yeah, I love gas stoves.
Yeah, so alright. And nothing special here. Squeeze in a little butter. You want butter on your biscuit?
Yeah.
Okay. This brand is Pillsbury, and it's the flavor is called butter tasting. So you can tell I just can't get enough butter.
Honey butter.
No,
they're honey butter.
No, they're butter tasting.
Look, we're gonna go ahead and show him.
You gotta pay
that
attention
these were
to
honey
You gotta pay attention to the movie part.
Oh yeah.
Maybe I'll go in the garbage.
Look, honey.
All right, honey butter.
It's not focusing.
It's there.
Honey butter.
Honey butter. Here, put it right here. Honey butter. Is it focusing on me? All right.
Yeah.
I gotta get you to pay attention to the camera.
Oh,
when
yeah.
You're walking around. She's not giving a pleasing video. So when you're going like this, she's holding a camera, and you gotta pay attention and kind of.
I know. I'll be all over the place.
Yeah. Anyway, so that's it. We're getting ready to go ahead and eat this, and that's the way I make eggs. It looks a little black. That's the pepper.
Mm-hmm.
It was bright golden yellow, just like you would see on the advertising, billboards and things like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching.
All right. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye. Oh, we want to thank Vanessa's dinner table. She gave us by watching her.
Vanessa Dinner Table is a YouTube channel.
Yes. She made some chicken wings, and I made those last night.
She's got not a lot of subscribers and only a couple of videos, but the few videos that is there is pretty awesome videos, so go check that out.
Yeah.
And she got in our comments and got us cooking just like she is. So it's all love.
Yeah.
It's all love. No biting. We share here. We share. So if you got something to share, put it down in the comments.
Yeah.
If you want to know what this tastes like, put it down in the comments. We tell you. Anyway, so thanks for watching. I'm Dre.
And I'm Debra.
This Life Like I.
Bye.